What's up YouTube and welcome back to my channel. As ridiculous as this sounds, one of the things I've always wanted to do was do prison rude. English is hard. Do prison recipes. I've always wanted to do prison food recipes. I've always wanted to make them. I don't know why. I don't know where it was, but a long time ago, I heard about it and I thought, wow, that's amazing. You could take a whole bunch of junk food, mash it all up together to create this other junk food that's supposedly delicious. I would have never thought of that. That's genius, and I've always wanted to do it. I've never met anyone else who wanted to do it, and no matter like how many times I brought it up to different people, people just thought it was strange. I never had time to do it by myself. Like I was either too busy watching movies or I was just too busy. But now, because of this coronavirus pandemic, I am quarantined in my apartment with Luna.
Derp.
Luna, we went over there. Just say your line. Just say it. And there's no one else but me in this apartment. I can't tell anyone to come over. I can't go anywhere because everything's closed. I finished Tiger King. I literally have all the time in the world right now. I thought to myself, I'm going to try these. I am going to go to the store to buy junk food, and I am going to try a couple of these recipes. And that is exactly what I did. I went to 4 different stores yesterday to buy all of this junk food. I never buy junk food. And this was actually really fun to buy all of this. I might have like opened some earlier and ate some, and I might have, I don't know, maybe also bought pizza rolls and Oreos that I ate already. Maybe. This video is gonna be fun, okay? This is the content I've always wanted to make. Thank you, quarantine. We're going to make some prison food recipes. Hey. Okay, no, let's start. The first dish that we are making today is prison pad thai. You just need these 4 ingredients: 1 ramen, peanuts, some peanut butter. By the way, I went to the store to buy peanut butter. I like crunchy peanut butter. This is smooth peanut butter. This was the only peanut butter left on the shelves, and I'm really sad because I love crunchy peanut butter. Anyways, okay, here, so smooth peanut butter. Last ingredient is hot sauce. The first instruction: prepare ramen noodles as per package instructions. I'm just going to put hot water in this and I'll be back. I am back with the ramen. So the instructions on this aren't clear as to whether I should pour out the broth or keep the broth. I'm gonna pour the broth into my Dachshund cup. I haven't had cup of noodle, I think even like before I moved to LA. MSG, love it. Get the carrots in there. I love carrots. Step 2, stir everything in 1 container. I have to like mix the peanut butter first because it's all natty. 1/3 cup of peanut butter. Put it all over the noodles. Side note, I can actually make really good peanut sauce. Yeah, no one knows that though. I don't really like cook for anyone. There are few people in this world that I will actually cook for. I don't even really cook for myself. I just make turkey, chicken breast, rice, and oatmeal like every day. And then 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. I think I should have gotten sriracha, but I don't know if they have sriracha in prison. Step 2, stir everything in 1 container. Step 3, garnish it with crushed peanuts. This is what life has come to. I am literally making prison food in my apartment. This is actually not mixing well. This is not mixing well at all. I'm just gonna add the broth. Oh my god, I hope I didn't just ruin it. Oh no, wait, it's looking better. This is looking more like pad thai. I think I just need some more broth, that's it. This is how it's looking. Yeah, I'm not sure about this. Garnish it with some crushed peanuts. Ooh, look how delicious this is. I just want to like eat it. Bone up the teeth. It's not bad, but it's also not good. I wouldn't make this at home, nor would I make this for a loved one. It wouldn't be made regularly. Maybe if there was a pandemic going on and I had to self-quarantine myself in a 500 square foot apartment all by myself with no roommate, and there's absolutely no more food in this world, and the shelves at the grocery stores were empty, like not even toilet paper on the shelves, and this was the only thing I had left to eat. I might eat it. I might try to make it at home, maybe. Next recipe we're making is prison tamales. The ingredients of this is 1 large bag of corn chips, 1/3 cup of cheese curls or processed cheese food, 1 ounce meat stick or beef jerky, and then we need 1/2 cup of water. First step is combine the corn chips and the cheese into 1 chip bag. I don't have a chip bag, so I just have a plastic Ziploc bag. I hope this will suffice. How are you supposed to measure this? Like only 2 fit in this. Like not even 3. Oh man. It can't just be this. There's no way. Or maybe. Step 2, crush contents. This is actually harder than crushing the peanuts. Okay, that's about the size of a tamale, so I think I got that right. I crushed everything finely, but I'm gonna have to transfer it to another bag because this bag has holes in it now. Step 3, chop the meat stick and add it to the mix. 3 meat sticks, 1, 2, 3. I hope no one calls me right now. Imagine that conversation. Oh, hey Xena, what are you doing? Oh, nothing, just, you know, just cooking. Oh, what are you making? Oh, tamales. Oh, what's the recipe? Oh, I'm actually making prison food recipes. Oh, how do you know that? And then they're gonna think I'm like a convict or some shit. I'm not sure how small these pieces are supposed to be. I think that's good though. Like these pieces that I'm making right now are like the perfect size for this. Adding all these to the mix and then mix it all up in there. If anyone ever asks again if I could cook, I won't answer yes, I won't answer no, I will just link them this video. Step 4, add water to the mixture just enough so you could shape it into a tamale. Close the bag tightly, then run under hot water. Open the bag and enjoy your tamales. We're almost there, peeps. I got my water here. First time I ever had tamales, I made them myself. This is weird. It's really mushy. Like, I know that makes me sound stupid because duh, I just added water to it, but it's really like, I didn't think it mushed this much. It said to like shape it into a tamale. It's gonna be like a long skinny tamale. This is fun. Swallow to This is the consistency of my uncooked tamale, which is actually pretty cool. I ran our tamale under hot water. It all came together. I don't know what the cooking term is. How does it smell? It just smells like chips. Woo, look at that. Ooh, a homemade tamale. I am so proud of myself. Oh, it's already coming apart. Look at this beautiful creation, man. Gordon Ramsay would be proud. I am quite surprised how the tortilla chips and the Cheeto Puffs came together. Maybe I should have made prison rice. Blonde apple tea. Okay. I would eat this. I could taste the tortillas in it, and I know it's tortillas that I'm eating, or tortilla chips that I'm eating, but it's not bad at all. It tastes like cheap microwave tamale that you buy at the store, frozen, pre-packaged, next to Tina's burritos that are only like 25 cents each. 10 cents when they go on sale. I would make this again. I would eat it again. It's good. The last and final recipe is the Parol Cake from Orange is the New Black. Inmates would usually make this recipe if someone's granted parole. And what we need is 12 ounces of cookies, cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of honey, a packet of sugar, French vanilla creamer, and then some Kool-Aid. You have to put it in the fridge for 5 hours at least. I actually made it in the morning. Voila! It is right in front of me. The instructions to make this: crush the cookies until it's all crumbs. Microwave the crushed cookies for 3 to 4 minutes, let it cool down. Mix the cream cheese, honey, sugar, French vanilla creamer, and Kool-Aid in a bowl. I didn't have French vanilla creamer, I just had regular creamer. Pour the mixture in the top of the crushed cookie crust. Spread the frosting evenly. This is what we get. Some of the cookies, the Chips Ahoy, are on the side. That's what this is. And it smells like, it just smells like Kool-Aid. Okay, this isn't like a perfect slice. Okay, and it's still kind of melted. The instructions said to put it in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours. I had it in there for 12 hours. Been over 12 hours, but I cut a slice of it and this is how it's looking. Okay, this part's solid. So I'm just gonna eat like the edge then. Oh, this is supposed to look like this? I'm not sure. Bonds up the tits. Even though it's like all mush, like it's not bad. I would imagine if made correctly, this would be, okay, I keep eating it, see, it's good. Okay, it's good, it's good. Yeah, and I'm like trying to eat the sides because the sides are like actually solid and not as mushy as like the middle, but not bad. That was all of the recipes we tried today. Right, Luna? Luna, you hungry? Because you're not allowed to eat any of them. You're not allowed to eat any of them. First thing we made was the pad thai with the ramen and the peanut butter. I didn't really like it. It didn't really age well. Second thing we made was the tamale with the tortilla chips, the Slim Jim, and the cheese puffs, which to my surprise was not bad. The third thing that we made today was the Parol Cake, which I think I made wrong because it's so liquidy. It was not bad and I actually took more than a couple bites out of it, and I could imagine that if I made it right, it would actually be good. If I had to pick one, I would pick the Parol Cake. The link to the recipes will be in the description below, and I don't know, which one do you guys think was good? Let me know in the comment section below. And Luna says bye, right? You say bye. Oh, hello. Hi, my name's Luna. You should subscribe to the channel. You should subscribe. Subscribe, I'm cute. Hey, all you cool pups and doggos. It's Xena here from the Someone Needs to Come Over After This Quarantine is Over so that someone else could throw Luna's Toy For Me foundation. That's all I have. That's ridiculous.